Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to reply a comment with a video on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app and then you select whichever comment you wish to reply the video to. Let's say you want to reply this comment with a video. You press and hold the comment and then you click on reply with video. After that, you can just create a video using your camera, or you can upload from your gallery by clicking this upload icon. And then you can upload whichever you wish to. You can click on any of the available options here to edit your text, or you can also add voiceovers. Then click on next and then you can post this. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.